Hi, I'm doing a line and wash today. I've chosen a yellow silk flower for this exercise. These trees are also called buttercup trees or yellow cotton trees. In Marathi, it's called ganer or ganeri or even sonsavar. And this is native to India. I'm doing a fairly simple ink line approach, meaning I'm not doing a lot of ink shading. I'm doing mostly the outlines and some of the details of the feature. So how much ink you want to put into the line drawing is absolutely up to you. I'm keeping it very fine. From this point on, this just becomes a coloring activity. Because the lines are fine, they don't stand out heavily. I'm using a Pigma Micron 05. These pens are good for drafting and pretty much everything that requires precision. They have archival ink, which means that the ink won't fade over time or at least not noticeably. I'm starting with a branch or a stem. These branches have a tinge of green, brown, darker reds. I'm going to try to get all the colors in. Next, I'm coloring the flowers. The petals for yellow silk are very thin and very bright. I'm using a bright yellow. I only add a bit of a yellow ochre to give the curves of the petals. At the end, I'm going to give a wash here. You can even try giving the wash as your first step. It totally depends on you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Bye for now.